How to remove unwanted apps from Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here's a click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on. You will see second option is Connected Devices. So click on Connected Devices. Now here scroll down and click on Android Auto. So after click on Android Auto, scroll down and you will see display session, click on Customize Launcher. So after click on Customize Launcher, you will see apps is here. So if you want to remove unwanted, so click on this tick icon. So after click on this icon, you will see app is unwanted. Unwanted app is removed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can remove unwanted app from Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.